given na ganyan, gagamit tayo ng trig substitution. Ang palatandaan yung mga yan, kapag a squared minus x squared a sine, x squared minus a squared, bumaliktad lang, a sec. X squared plus a squared, pag bumaliktad yan, parehas pa rin, a tan. And then, drawing tayo ng triangle lagi as a guide. Let's check this integral. Muna yan. Basican muna natin. So, yan. So, sa example muna ako. Pero, if you want to answer, sige, sabayan nyo na lang ako. So, a squared minus x squared do. O minus u squared. Kasi x squared lang inilagay ko dyan. Kasi x. So, pag ginawa mong u yan, u rin to. U squared, u. Now, kaya ganyan, kapag ganyan, yung ano natin ay a sine. So, a must be 4. Sulat na natin a sine theta. So, x is equal to ang pangit. Now, naka-u na. So, gawin na natin u. U equals a sine theta. So, ang u natin ay sino? Si 5x. Siyempre, square root of 25x squared. Ang a natin, 4. And then, sine. So, dito pa lang makuha na natin that ang gagamitin natin ay x is equal to 4 pips sine theta. So, pag itong papalit natin doon, i-transform na natin. 16 minus 25 x squared. And when you square this would be 16 over 25 sine squared. Now, dx pa rin to guys, right? Dx pa rin. Pinalit ko lang. So, mangyayari, 1 over cancel. So, 16 minus 16 sine squared as nasa loob ng square root. Pwede nating ilabas yun. So, square root of 16 is 4. That's 1/4 outside. Now, mangyayari sa ilalim, here, magiging 1 minus sine squared na lang. Kaya nga, yan ang substitution. Para ma-take advantage ang trigonometric identity na Pythagorean. So, 1 minus sine squared, is cosine squared. At ang square root nun ay cosine. So, this is cosine. Now, dx pa rin to guys. Take a look, dx pa rin yan. Siyempre, dito natin kukunin ang dx. So, dx is equal to 4 pips. Derivative of sine is cosine theta d theta. So, papalitan ngayon natin, magiging 1/4 times 4 pips. Nilalabas ko na yung constant. Now, dx will become, no. Sorry. Ano, tama. Tama. 4 pips outside. Cos theta d theta. So, magiging cos theta d theta. And then yung kanina pang cos theta. So, simplifying, magiging 1/5 integral theta d theta. Tama ba? And then, ano ang integral ng theta?
Sir,
Integral ng theta.
1.
Theta.
Sir, di ba 1 lang yun?
integral of 1 siya, sir.
1. Sorry, 1 pala. Okay, so 1 lang to. So, 110, palitan natin. So, integral ng 1d theta ay theta. So, that's
Theta.
1 if theta. O now, ito yung pagbalik. Sabi ni Gwen, yung pagbalik sa dati. Kasi theta pa to. Hindi, pag nilagyan mo ng plus, hindi pa to tapos. So, babalik natin sa dati. So, yung triangle ang tutulong sa atin. So, sulat ko yung triangle dito. Na obviously, si 16 ang hypotenuse. Kaya ano to? 4. Tapos si 5x, di ba ito sine, no? Sine. Sine theta is opposite. So, ito dapat si 5x. At ito si theta. At tingnan kung consistent. Tama ba? O baliktad?
Tama lang, sir.
Sine theta is 5x over 4. You can see here, sine theta, if you solve, multiply this by 5 or 5, 4. So, tama. O now, so from there, you know that sine theta is 5 fourths x, 5x over 4 or 5 fourths x. So, theta must be arc sine. So, final answer, 1/5 arc sine. Because theta, sine theta is 5x over 4, therefore theta is arc sine of 5x over 4. So, pag nabalik na sa x, kumpleto na. Tsaka lang maglagay ng plus c outside to finish the integral. Okay, guys? Good. So, yun, medyo maninibago talaga yung bago pa lang, pero try nyo lang. We will have many more examples lined up today. So, game. So, umpisa natin. Dito. Modify ko lang. Hello, guys. There. Very good jobs, Indian. Okay, good, Robbie. Kurt. Well, let's wait for the others. Okay, good, Nino. Let's have, may kulang ng konti. Ate, tama niya. Let's have one more. Last na. From the others. Okay, sige, game. Now, kung ididiretso mo yung trade sub, baka yun ang kinalito ng iba. The first step is recognizing, look at this. Look at this form. Constant, then ito yung merong a squared minus u squared. Ganun din yung taas dito. So may x eh. So dapat iwalay mo muna. You recognize that pag pinag-iwalay, this is an easy integral. Yan ba ginawa ng mga nakakuha o diniretso? Very good. So ganyan ang first step. Actually, kayang idiretso so paikot-ikot ka muna, then haba. Pero if you recognize that this is the first step, it's easy. Correct, right? Sum of integrals equals integral of sums. So pinag-iwalay ko yung x3. Why? Now look at this. This is an easy one. Lagyan natin tong label natin yung 1. So integral 1 is simple substitution, right? Let u be the denominator. Actually, what's inside the square root? Du is negative 2x dx. So that x dx there will be taken care by the simple substitution. So x dx will be negative du over 2. So that integral will become negative 1/2 outside, then du, then that will become 1 over square root of u, which is u to the negative 1/2. Follow? Follow that? Now, ano lang to? Power. Add 1. Divide by the result. Kaya nga cancel to. So this part 1 is simply, ba't ako nagtitipid dito, pwede akong mag-next page sa part 2. Negative u to the 1/2, which is negative square root of 16 minus x squared. So ito yung integral number 1. Right? Now, punta tayo sa integral number 2. Yan ang gagamitan ng trig sub. No? Sa integral number 2. Ayan na naman yung a squared minus u squared. So, diretso nyo na ganito. Palitan nyo na to ng u. U, 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 u. Puro naka u. Where u is a function of x. Pwedeng quantity x plus 3 squared, pwedeng x squared, pwedeng 4x squared, ganun. Okay? Now, kapag ni u natin a squared minus u squared, then u is a sine theta. So u, which is x squared, which is x, so happen na x ang u, a is 4 sine theta. So dito, kunin na nga natin agad yung dx, baka makalimutan pa. 4 cos d theta. Now, palitan na natin yan. 3 outside. Dx will be replaced by this. 4 cos theta d theta. So 4 cos theta d theta. So okay na si 3 na labas, si dx napalitan na. Now, square root of 16 minus x squared would become 16 minus, when you square this, 16 sine squared. So 16 outside is 4. You know, magiging ganyan yan. And you know, cosine squared yan. So 4 cosine. So as you can see, pares na pares tong integral number 2 sa nauna kong example, which is 1d theta. So mangyayari, this is just 3 theta plus c. Now, mapalit natin yung theta. Our triangle here, 16 x theta. Sine, dito lang pwede na, no? Sine, pero as you notice, kapag magulo na, kailangan na ng triangle as a guide. So sine is what? That's not 16, 4. So sine, kaya nga, this will become 16 minus x squared if you'll notice. No? And sine theta is x over 4. Therefore, theta is arc sine x over 4. So all we need to do is combine the integral 1 and integral 2 for the final answer. So yun lang gagawin natin, and Integral 1 is this. This is integral 1. So 1 plus 2 is negative square root 16 minus x squared plus integral 2, 3 arc sine x over 4. And then of course, sa dulo na tayo mag-plus c, di ba Robby? O yan. Guys, if our topic is a new technique, that doesn't mean na confine kayo sa technique na yun. Laging kasama yung mga dati. Kanina pa tayo, nagsa-substitution, use substitution, yung ordinaryo. No, hindi laging ano. Pero you try. I have two solutions ready na nakita kong pwedeng gawin. Two solutions. Try natin parehas. Wala pa ah. Challenging ba siya? Hey guys, 5 minutes. Give me any progress. Kung hanggang saan yung integral na napuntahan nyo. And how did you start? Tell me. Pwede bang may mag-volunteer o recite dyan? Mahirap sa chat, no? Diyan has an answer. Let's see. No need to combine diyan into a second term. Yung second term mo. Leave it as how you integrated it. Huwag mo na combine. Pero sige, anyway, I'll check. Yes, yes. Very good, Dian. You're correct. You're correct. Yes, Miguel. Yaps. Dian, chat mo. I'll ask you a question, Dian, and then chat ka sa public, sa everyone, okay? Tatanungin kita, how did you start? Did you use trig sub ba agad? Or by parts muna? Trig sub, okay. So trig sub si Dian. Nag-trig sub agad siya. To everyone, Dian, and follow-up question. For me, harder part yung trig sub agad because of a trigo problem. Kung hindi verse identities, you know, baka mahirapan. Very good. So nakita mo ba yung identity doon? Or pwede ko sabihin, nakakita ka ba doon ng double angle identity in your trig sub? After your trig sub? Can you type what trigo cosine? If I will do it, I'll use sine. So anyway, very good deal. Sige, okay guys. Kurt, kulang. Maraming kulang. Okay, so, sige, wala pa yung si Robby. Robby, paramdam ka naman. No yaps. Medyo siguro judging this integral, I will give a difficulty for this. So far, this is the hardest na nabigay ko integral sa inyo. So far. Imagine class, dati nun, iiwanan lang kami ng 3 integral sa isang klase, tapos babalikan kami, ang mapapasa namin isa lang. 1 out of 3. Mga ganun. So, pahirapan talaga. And then, mahilig ako sa set A, set B, set C. Doon ko na-adapt yun. Kasi pag sa UP, hindi pa uso yung hinahati. So, wala pang lab class, wala lecture class, lab class, wala pang ganun dati. Dati talagang isa lang prop mo, yun lang. So, pag pinagtripan kayo nun, set A, set B, set C, tapos iba-iba kayong integral, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Tapos dati pa, pinagtripan kami. Ang binigay na integral is impossible to integrate. Di ba? Imagine that. May methods, pero approximation lang yung sagot. Still waiting for Robbie. And of course, Gwen. Okay, so solution 1. Yung ginawa ni Dian. Trig sub agad. So ito yung nakita yung form. Again, a squared minus u squared. So far, yan palang ginagamit ko out of the 3. No, yung una pa lang, si Art, ito pa lang. So, happens na ang u natin si x din. So, 3 sine theta. So, mangyayari, this one, kung pwede mag-scratch kayo or what, in substituting, there, you know, square 9 is 3 outside. 1 minus sine squared. Nakikita nyo, pag sanay na kayo, pwede nyo nang shortcutin to eh. Rigos. Yung kapag, ito ang sub, ano ang lalabas, yung mga ganong bagay. So, this will become, this one pa lang, no? 3 cos. Lagay ko muna, mamaya ako na yung mga outside yung constants. Now, meron pa akong dalawa, si x squared, si dx. Dx is obviously 3 cosine. Again, d theta. So, lagay ko rito. 3 cosine d theta. Ayan. So, taken care. Ito na lang, si x squared. Siyempre, i-square ko to. That will be 9 sine squared. There. So, this is 3 sub agad. So, you can see 9 times 9 is 81 outside. Outside na. So, mangyayari, you have sine squared and then cosine squared. D theta. Okay guys, ito yung sinasabi ko. For me, mas maraming masastock dito. Puntahan nyo ba to guys? Nakarating ba rito? Very good. Kasi kung narating nyo yan, hanggang dyan lang din ang narating ni Robby. So, pares lang kayo ng narating. Di ba? Dyan na stock si Robby. Screenshot, chat ni Robby para meron akong proof. Wait, na-stuck ako sa trigo. Yan. Saan na ba yun? Hindi, para ano, tawag doon. Yan ha. Para lang ano, tawag doon. Motivation. Ito nyo yun guys ha. Motivation. Siguro dito ka na-stuck, Robby. Diyan ko tinanong ko na si Dian dyan eh. Burahin ko na, baka magalit si Robby. Yun na, nagalit na. Joke lang. Now, una, ang gagawin natin dito is that there is a familiar identity that we know. That yung sa ayos na yan, yung sine cosine. Familiar ba yan? Yung ayos na sine cosine. That sine 2 theta. Mga yan, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. Right? So therefore, I can get that this one. So sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta over 2. Right? And then, naka-square yung dalawa. Di obviously, square natin. So there, naka-square. Right? So, mangyari, that becomes 81 integral. Now, this one is sine squared 2 theta and then over 4. Right? And then d theta. So, that's copy ko lang next page. Then erase na natin yung ibang parts. So, ayusin natin, that will be 81 over 4 integral sine squared 2 theta d theta. Now, meron tayong identity na may mga square, na naka-square. Can you think of that? Actually, pwede ka naman mag-sine squared. Kasi meron tayong may by parts ulit, pero parang mas lalayo pa. Identity na lang tayo. Ano kaya yung identity na may naka-square?
Cosine 2 theta.
The half angles. Right? The half angles. Tell me cosine theta over 2. What is cosine theta over 2? And what is sine theta over 2? Ayun, yan nga yung problema rito sa approach na to na masastak ka sa trig. So anyway, ako hindi ko kabisado. Pero ang kabisado ko yung cos 2 theta. Ito yung dinaanan ni Dian. Cos 2 theta is cos squared minus sine squared. Right? And then, ito yung merong pwede mong gawin tong 1 minus sine squared and then minus sine squared cos 2 theta. Then magiging 1 minus 2 sine squared cos 2 theta. So this is the half angle identity na meron tayo. Naka-identity yan. Pero I'm just after this sine squared. So 2 sine squared equals 1 minus cosine 2 theta. So sine squared equals 1 minus cosine 2 theta all over 2. Follow, guys? 2 theta. Now look at this. 81 over 4 integral, that is sine squared 2 theta. Ano mangyayari sa kanya? Sine squared theta to, magiging ganun. E di ganito siya. 1 minus cosine 4 theta over 2 d theta. Follow that. When you follow that, look at what happens to the angle. This is half of that. Theta is half of 2 theta. So using this identity, that is 2 theta, sine squared 2 theta. This is sine squared theta. Dapat, yun nandito should be double that. So that's why 4 theta ang nandito, double that. Follow that, guys? Nasusundan ba? Now, this is easy now. 81 over 8. Integral 1 minus cosine 4 theta. And then d theta. And these are integrable, madali na. Because 81 over 8 lang daw. And then integral d theta minus integral cos 4 theta d theta. Okay, and this is 81 over 8. You know this is theta, 1 d theta. Now, ito, be careful. Be careful. Kung sanay ng USAB, pwede na mag-mental. Pero ano dapat to? Ang integral ng cosine ay sine, right? So this should be sine 4 theta. Pero dapat merong over 4. Do you agree? Sine 4 theta over 4. There. And then, hindi pa to tapos, guys. Kasi, naka-theta pa yung mga yan. Although wala nang integral yan, naka-theta pa yung lahat ng yan. So, babalik tayo sa walang theta. So, again, yung triangle. So, okay, nandun yan sa next sa previous page. Focus ako sa integral na to. Papalitan lang natin yung mga theta. Now, in my substitution, x is 3 sine theta. Dito na papasok yung triangle, no? Theta. Sine theta is x over 3. So, x and then 3. Okay? Then, walang problema si theta. Because sine theta is 3 over x. Ay, baliktad. Tama ba? Baliktad. Baliktad ako. This should be... Baliktad. This should be... Ito dapat yung 3, ito dapat yung x. Tama? So, sine theta is x over 3. Therefore, ito, madaling i-express. Theta is arc sine x over 3. Now, itong 4 theta ang kailangan natin i-express in terms of theta. So, trig pa rin tayo. Babalik tayo sa trig. No, sa trig. So, okay na to. Check na to. Ito na lang. No? Sin 4 theta. What? Sin 4 theta is 2 sin 2 theta cosine 2 theta. And remember, what we have here is theta lang. This is 2. Ito, double angle ulit tayo. Sine, cosine. Then, cosine 2 theta, the double angle is what? Cos squared minus sine squared. Or 1 minus 2 cosine squared. Minus 2 sine squared. Or 2 cosine squared minus 1. Yun na lang pipiliin ko. See that? So, ayusin natin to. This is 2 times 2, 4. Then, pag dinistribute to, become cos cube. Then, sine. Then, minus 2 sine theta cosine theta. Now, madali nang i-set up to because meron naman tayong sine and cosine, obviously. Dito papasok yung help ng triangle, no? Square root of 9 minus x squared. So, this is square root of 9 minus x squared over 3. Right? And then, just plug this in to there and then there. 81 over 8 arc sine of x thirds minus, naka-over 4 yan. So, 1/4 of this thing. Sulat ko yung 4. What is cos cube? Eh, di ko cube ko to. Square root of, hindi naman kayo pagsisimplify na rito. Cube over 3. Over 3, na pag kinube ay 27. Right? Then times sine, which is x thirds. Okay, check me for possible mistakes. Yeah, wait lang. Ninyo, let me see. 2 cos theta sine theta 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Yes, tama. May 2 pa. Yes, Ninyo. Very good. May kulang ako. May 2 pa pala rito. This one is ito pa lang. May 2 pa. Yun, no? Yun nga, no? Pag ano. So, may 2 pa ron. So, dapat 2 times 2, 4 times 2. This should be 8. 2 times 2, 4. Then that one, this should be 4. Yan. So, this should be 8. Okay, so far. And then minus 4. Sine theta is x thirds. And then cosine is that thing. Square root of 9 minus x squared over 3. There. Actually, pwede na nga to, guys. Tinatanggap na yan eh. Kung mabait yung prof. Kung hindi, you have to simplify. So, simplify natin. Si Dian, ginumbayin pa niya. Hindi ko alam kung meron tong ano. So, you have 81 over 8. Arc sine, x thirds. Now, help me out. 1/4, that's x third. So, 27, that's 381 will cancel with the 81 here. 8 and 8 will cancel. 1/4 na lang matitira, right? So, tulungan nyo ako baka may error. Square root of 9 minus x squared cube over 4 na lang. Tama ba? Baka may mali. And, ayun, may x pa. So, I'll put the x here. X square root of 9 minus x squared cube over 4. Okay. Now, Dian, check my terms, okay? Then, chat to everyone if we have exactly the same. Now, 1/4 distributed to the group. To the group, right? Meron ako ritong 1/4 of 4 cancel. This is 3 and 3, 9. 81 there. So, this would become a plus 9/8. A plus 9/8, right? Then x square root of 9 minus x squared. and then plus C. Diyan, check. Please check kung parehas tayo and chat to everyone. Hindi ko na mabalikan yung chat mo, diyan. Compare our answers. Pwede i-combine yung second and third terms diyan, pero not necessary na. Yun yung una mong sagot. Yun nga yung pinapacheck ko. Kung hindi mo kinumbine, do we have the same? Kasi okay na yan, kahit hindi na i-combine. So, do we have the same diyan? Okay. So, regardless, pero ang ano ko lang is, parehas ba tayo ng terms kung hindi mo kinumbine yung second and third? Kasi kinalki ko lang yung sagot mo eh. Kaya alam kong tama. Okay, good. Sige. Diyan, chat to everyone. Including your answer na naka-combine. Maganda. Copy-paste mo na lang. Sige, we will finish. Isa pang meeting, no? After nito, medyo matagalan tayo sa problem na to. Obviously, mahaba siya. At meron pa nga akong isa pang solution na naisip. And let's try that. Actually, naisip ko pa lang yan. Hindi ko pa alam kung dead end yun or what. Sana hindi dead end. So yun. Okay na, Dian. You have the same. Naiya si Dian. No? So we have the same answer. Kinalki ko yung sagot niya. So tama. Yun nga lang nakakombine yung second and third terms niya. Kaya hindi ko sure na tama yung sagot ko. Ayan na, chinat ni Dian yung sagot niya. Kaya, now, nakita niyo na naka-combine dalawang terms lang yung kay Dian. Look at the chat group, everyone. And check if kung ihiwalay, is my answer the same as Dian's? Yung sign diyan nung negative 9x, di ba minus dapat tong middle term mo? Yung sign mo na separating the two terms should be a minus the quantity. Kasi doon lang tayo magkakaiba. No, I mean, yung sagot mo na nakakombine yung dalawang term, your operation is a plus. 81/8 arc sin x thirds were the same, obviously. Pero after that, you're a plus. Di ba dapat should be a minus? Kasi doon lang tayo mag-iiba. Binaliktad mo. Okay, I see. Binaliktad niya yung 2x cubed minus 9x. Ginawa niya. If you will make it back to 9 minus x squared, magbabaliktad siya. Very good, very good. So tama ba, Kurt? Tama. Okay. Now, very good, Dian. Thank you. Now, I'm thinking of another way to answer this. Yun yung actually suggestion seed. Siya yung unang nagtanong about that. Kung pwede daw bang by parts. Let's see. You're not confined to one technique. You can use other techniques. Tulungan nyo ako ha. So by parts natin to. Muna, bago siguro mag-trig sub. Kasi there's no way na I think, no? Kapag ang sagot ay may mga inverse trig, obviously nagkakaroon ng trig sub. Hindi pwedeng wala. Ba yun? O yan, pwede na yan. Now, may nakita kasi ako na parang pwedeng gawin. If I will let u as x, ang matitira ko na dv is integral x square root of 9 minus x squared dx. Do you agree? Do you agree? U dv. Right? Now, by design, parang ito kaya, no? Kasi u sub lang to. So, put that in white. If u is 9 minus x squared, simple u substitution. Right? So, yun. Gwen. Dito ba si Gwen? Si Gwen, sino ba yung mga grade incoming 11 dito? Si Gwen ang host natin. Si Gwen, si Dian. Actually, boring ang calc nyo hanggang U-sub lang kayo. Hanggang sa gantong technique lang. O, di ba masaya ka na? So, if u is 9 minus x squared, du is negative 2x dx. So, madadamay na natin to. That's x dx, which is negative 1/2 du. So, yung given na integral na yan, magiging negative 1/2 outside, then du. Square root of u or u to the 1/2. Ayan ang simple substitution. Hanggang dyan lang ang grade 11. Negative 1/2 and then u, ma-add ng 1, 3 halves. Obviously, divide by the result, 3 halves. Right? So, maka-cancel to. Then, magiging negative u to the 3 halves over 3. So, meron na akong v. Sulat ko na rito. If dv, therefore ang v ko ay negative 1/3 u to the 3 halves. That is square root of 9 minus x squared cube. Right? Sundan? And then dito, what is du? U is x, what is dx? There, and then, okay, nag-by parts na ako. Set up na natin yung by parts. So, pag set up yung by parts, you know, ub minus v du, right? So, integral would be ub, uv minus integral v du. So, set up natin dito. ub is negative x thirds square root of, so to times na natin to, tsaka to, 9 minus x squared cube. Mukhang siya na to, no? Mukhang ito na yun, no? Itong part na to, na x 9 minus x squared cube. Naka-over 3 nga lang siya, pero let's see kung anong mangyayari mamaya. So, negative x thirds, 9 minus x squared cube, ub. Then minus integral v du. Ang v ay negative 1/3. Gawin ko na itong plus. 1/3 outside. V du would be this. Square root of 9 minus x squared cube. And then dx. Right? Follow guys? Now, dito ako magti-trig sub. Diyan ako magti-trig sub. Kasi form na a squared minus u squared. Dito ako magti-trig sub. Tama? So, gawin natin yan, guys. Okay, so focus tayo sa integral na to. So, meron na ako dito. Actually, una, tapos na, no? Wait, may message. Baka may mali ako. Okay. Yung kanina pa yan. So, focus tayo sa kanya. 1/3 outside, don't forget. A squared minus u squared na naman tayo. So, ang papalit natin, u is a 3 sine that. So, automatic since it so happen na ang u natin is u squared is x squared also. So, gawin ko na itong x. X na. So, dx is 3 cosine theta d theta. So, the substitution again, guys, that square root of 9 minus x squared would become 9 minus 9 sine squared. At naka-raise yan sa third power. Right? Cube. Then, you know, 9 minus 9 sine squared is what? Cosine squared. So, become 3 cosine. Right? Then, naka-raise yan sa 3. Follow? Okay, good. Now, this would be 27 cos cube theta. Yan, yun, itong yan. 27 cos cube theta. So, ayusin na natin, 1/3 outside, baka makalimutan. 27 cos cube theta. And then, our dx is 3 cosine theta d theta. So, there. 327, cancel. 27 na lang outside. Mangyayari dito is cosine to the 4th theta. D theta. So mukhang pabalik ka lang din dito. Kasi we ended up having kanina hindi to the 4th tayo sine squared cos squared. Pero if you notice this guys, titigil ko rito, papakita ko lang na parehas lang. 81, if you will let sine squared be 1 minus cos squared, magkakaroon ka ngayon ng cos to the 4th. Do you agree? Dito, bawa ito, gawin mong 1 minus cos squared, magkaka-cos to the 4th ka. So, parang parehas lang ng pupuntahan dito. Okay? Now, anong pwedeng gawin dito? Cos to the 4th. Yung identity ni Dian naman ang gamitin natin. So, burahin ko na to. Earlier, we have what? Cos squared. Cos squared is what? Yan na naman yung trigo, no ba? Kakainis talagang trigo eh. Here. 2 cos squared minus 1. So, cos squared is 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. So, yan. 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, that is cosine to the 4th, guys. Even power. Pwede natin square both sides. Cos to the 4th. So, magiging ano to? 1 plus 2 cosine 2 theta. No problem pa to. Integrable. Plus cos squared 2 theta. Then over 4. Tama ba? And then yung cos squared 2 theta, gagamitin natin ulito. So, yun. I'm just going kung saan ang una kong nakita, guys. Baka may mas mabilis kayong nakita. Kung ako, yung una kong nakita, yun agad ina-atake ko. So, cos to the 4th, I know cos squared. So, cos to the 4th is this. Di mangyari. 27 integral 1 plus 2 cosine 2 theta plus cos squared 2 theta. I leave it blank because I'll apply again the identity there, which is 1 plus cosine 4 theta over 2. Remember, half of that, right? Half of that. So, 2 theta is half of that. So there, anyway, the point is, as you can see, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, integrable na yan. No? Wala nang kailangan gawing ibang technique, u sub na lang. Linisin natin, guys. So, linisin natin. So far, ang habaan talaga nito, no? Or, ewan ko. Siguro, dahil pinilit ko yung technique, yung ano na, una ko nakita, sabi ko, nakita ko to. So, game, ayusin natin. 27 over 4 outside. 1. 2 cosine. 2 theta. 1 plus cosine 4 theta over 2. And then, d theta. Right? Okay, now, isa-isay natin. 27 over 4 integral d theta plus 27 halves integral cosine 2 theta d theta there plus 27 over 8. No? 1 o d theta, ayun, makakombine yung dalawang yun. D theta, and plus 27 over 8 cos 4 theta d theta. Guys, mas mahaba to, no? Pero pinapanindigan ko na lang. Dinidiretso ko na lang. Okay ba? Okay, mandyan na tayo. So, diretso ko lang. Okay, help me out. Ito na. I-integrate na natin bawat isa. Of course, 27 over 4 theta. Now, ang integral niya ay sine 2 theta over 2, right? Sine 2 theta over 2. So, magiging 27 over 4 sine 2 theta. Naging over 4 na yan kasi over 2 to. Sine 2 theta over 2, ito, integral na yan. Plus 27 over 8 theta. Plus, this is sine 4 theta over 4. That's 27 over 32 sine 4 theta d theta. Wala nang d theta. So, yun ang integral. Now, our triangle, theta, mga triangle, copying mo na dun sa isa. 9 minus x squared. So, 9 yung hypotenuse. So, 3. 3 here, x here, and then square root of 9 minus x squared. Sine theta, x over 2. We can combine these two. 27 over 4 and 27 over 8. What will happen? 54 over 8, 27 over 8, 81 over 8. Right? Theta, which is arc sine x thirds. Because theta, sine theta is x thirds. So, okay na to. Dalawa na lang, guys. Natitira. 27 over 4. Sine 2 theta, you know, is the double angle 2 sine theta, which is x thirds, and then square root of 9 minus x squared over 3. Then last, 27 over 3 halves, over 32, that's sine 4 theta. So, the double angle uli natin yan. Actually, copy ko na lang to. Meron na tayo yan dito kanina. Pakopya na lang. Ano ba yun? Yan, no? O, di ba? Copy na lang natin, ano? Oh, ito siya, di ba? 8 cos cube. Saan siya? Itong part na to, no, guys? Tama ba itong part na to? Uy. May 81 over 8 dun sa labas, no? So, tama ba na ito lang? 1/4? Tama ba to? Hindi ko na nasundan. Kasi may over 4. So, ito lang. Yan, ito lang. Ang kopya. Yan ang kagandahan ng tinatawag na copy-paste. Lagay ko rito. Yan. Then, ilagay natin ulit. Tanggalin ko na yung triangle. Sine 4 theta. So, we have sine 4 theta. Then, copy natin dito. 8 over 27. Gawin na natin 8 over 81. x square root of 9 minus x squared cube. Okay, panindigan na natin. 8 over 81. X square root of quantity 9 minus x squared cube. Diba? Napapagod na ako guys. Nalata ba? Then, this is 4 over 9. X tapos square root of 9 minus x squared na lang. Is that a plus? Ba yan? Nakalimutan ko. Plus ba yan or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Narinig ko rin boss ni Robby. Minus 4 over 9. 4 over 9, then x square root of. Wala nang cube, so 9 minus x squared na lang. Mukhang pasok na yan. There, and then, ayusin natin. 81 over 8. Arc sine x terms. Now, look. 2, 9. So, 3 na lang, no? 3. Tama ba? Halves. 3 halves. 3 halves. X square root of 9 minus x squared. Help me out. Then 7 times 8 over 81. 4. 4 here. 3 here. So, 1 over 12. X square root of the quantity 9 minus x squared. Na naka-cube yan. And then magiging plus. Plus. Minus pala yun. So, minus 8. Then 3. So, 3/8. X square root of 9 minus x squared. May common, guys. These two, right? Combine natin. What is 3 halves minus 3/8?
3.
9/8.
9/8, right? 9/8. Ayusin natin. Tama. Parang nasa stress na si Angeline. Stress na ba? 8. Imagine me. Pinanindigan ko lang to eh. Sabi ko, may nakita akong pwedeng by parts muna. Plus 9/8, right? 9/8, then x square root of 9 minus x squared. Now, meron tayong problema rito, 1 over 12. X square root of 9 minus x squared cube. Remember, meron yan kanina. Meron na tayong naunang nakuha. This one. Plus, ito yung trig sub. Ito yung trig sub. So, i-add ko yung kanina, na kanina pa nandun na nag-aantay ng kapartner. Saan siya? Yan. Negative x over 3. 9 minus x squared cube. Negative x over 3. 9 minus x squared cube. Guys, can you combine 1 over 12 and then negative 1/3?
Negative 1/4.
You have arc sine x thirds plus 9/8 x square root of 9 minus x squared. Sabi ni Yaps, negative 1/4. Negative x over 4 square root of 9 minus x squared cube plus c. Pinanindigan. Tignan natin kung tama at parehas doon sa trig sub agad na approach. Saan na siya? Here. Ito, no? 81 over 8 minus x over 4 plus 9 over 8. Then, naka-cube yun. Ito, square root lang. Let's see. Ang layo na pala. Sa babang baba pa. Yun. Ano siya? Layo. Yun. 81 over 8, 9 over 8 minus x over 4. X, naka-cube yun. Do you have the same, guys? Nakita nyo yun? Kita nyo yun? Kung ang daming way, no? Nasa inyo yun. Ako, ginagawa ko, kung ano yung una kong makita, tira lang doon, bira. Then, to master it, try to solve it other ways. Ang dami kasing method. Makikita nyo naman yung elements, dapat pare-parehas. Nandyan yung arc sine, fractions, ganun. Okay, guys? So, obviously, we will still have one more meeting for this technique. Medyo tumagal for in this problem alone. More than half an hour ang nangyari. Okay ba, Sid? Okay, good. So that's it, guys. Let's continue Thursday. Okay, thank you for attending. Good job, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Gwen, sige, i-end meeting mo na. Pagod ako ron.